A small balcony is not a limitation. It's actually a hidden opportunity. With the right ideas, even a tiny space can become a cozy retreat, a mini garden, or a peaceful evening corner. And the best part? You don't need a big budget to transform it. Today, we're going to explore how simple, creative, and affordable ideas can completely change your apartment balcony into something beautiful and functional. Welcome you to Architecture Inspiration X, where we share the best ideas and tips for your outdoor and indoor living space. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button and the bell icon so you don't miss any of our videos which we have planned after this video. What if your small balcony could feel like a luxury cafe seating area right at home, even without spending much money, even with limited space, even in a rented apartment? Would you believe it can actually happen? Let's explore how simple design tricks can completely change the vibe of your balcony. Keep watching because this video will completely change how you see your space. Have you ever looked at your balcony and thought it's too small to do anything with? What if that thought is actually wrong? What if size is not the problem? Design is? Small spaces can look even more aesthetic than big ones. You just need the right layout ideas. Let's unlock that hidden potential today. Stay tuned for more creative transformations you can try today. Can a balcony become your stress-free evening escape zone? A place where you relax after a long day, where you drink tea in peace, where everything feels calm and personal. Yes, it can be possible with just a few budget-friendly changes. Let's see how you can create that peaceful corner. Don't skip ahead. Each idea builds your dream space step by step. What if you could decorate your balcony without expensive furniture? No designer items, no heavy spending. Just smart, simple, creative ideas. Would you try it if it actually works? Let's break the myth that beauty needs money. Keep watching to discover budget tricks you'll wish you knew earlier. Can plants really change the entire look of a small balcony? Or is it just decoration talk? What if greenery is the simplest makeover trick ever? A few pots can bring freshness instantly. A little green can change your mood completely. Let's explore natural balcony styling. Keep watching for easy plant ideas you can start today. What if lighting could turn your balcony into a magical evening space? Fairy lights, warm bulbs, soft glow. Sounds expensive? It's not. Even low-cost lighting can create luxury vibes. Let's see how lighting changes everything. Don't miss the lighting ideas coming next. They're game changers. Can furniture be both small and stylish at the same time? What if folding chairs and compact tables are the real secret? Not everything needs to be big to be beautiful. Smart furniture saves space and adds comfort. Let's rethink balcony furniture today. Stay connected for practical ideas you can actually use. What if your balcony could also become your mini workspace or reading corner? A place where you think clearly, where you work peacefully, where creativity flows naturally. Even in a small apartment, this is possible. Let's design your multi-purpose balcony. Keep watching for smart, space-saving setups. Is it possible to make a balcony look expensive on a tight budget? What if style has nothing to do with money? What if arrangement matters more than price? Simple decor hacks can create premium looks. Let's uncover those styling secrets. Don't leave, these ideas will surprise you. Can rugs, cushions, and small decor pieces really change a balcony? Or are they just small details? What if small details create the biggest impact? Texture, color, and comfort matter more than size. Let's see how to upgrade your balcony feel instantly. Stay till the end for complete transformation ideas. What if your balcony becomes your favorite place in the entire house? Not your living room, not your bedroom, but a peaceful outdoor escape just for you. Wouldn't that feel amazing? Let's make that vision real. Keep watching for final ideas that bring everything together. And finally, what is stopping you from starting your balcony makeover today? Is it budget, space, or just confusion? What if all you needed was inspiration and guidance? Today's video is your starting point. Let's turn "I want this" into "I created this." Don't forget to stay until the end and take action after watching. So now you've seen how even the smallest balcony can be transformed into something beautiful, cozy, and functional. It's not about how much space you have. It's about how you use it. With the right mix of plants, lighting, furniture, and creativity, your balcony can become your favorite place in the home. Start small, stay consistent, and build it step by step. Your dream balcony is absolutely possible on a budget.